Hi guys. Wait lang, let me put on my mic.
Okay. So, welcome back to our
Welcome
channel.
back to our channel. Indeed.
We are doing something different today. What are we doing today?
Mukbang.
Yes, magmumukbang kami.
Gutom na kami.
Hindi sa ganito yan. May bagong bukas na food. Basta may bagong bukas na restaurant?
May bagong bukas na
Kainan.
dito.
Diner, whatever. Sa Marikina. Near my place.
Attach mo na lang yung ano.
Yung,
Yeah.
yes. Ito, itsura ng place nila. It's called
Tara dito.
Tara Dito. I don't know if you can see. Tara Dito. Actually, let's just open it. Pero before that, we have some dessert here. Dunkin' Donut.
Yeah, and
then yung luto ng tatay kong banana cube.
Yes. Kumuha
Okay.
ko kasi I like fruits.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's open the food.
3,
Wait
2,
lang.
food reveal. Tara dito reveal. Ay,
Okay.
wait lang.
What
Ano
to?
muna yung order natin?
Okay, ang in-order namin, ano yun? Oh my God, I forgot. Basta it has chicken tenders and it has french fries.
Oo, na fiesta.
Just imagine it's like Racing Canes. Ganun. Yun yung target. Yun yung trip nilang, yun yung peg nila.
Okay, so reveal.
Reveal it first sa inyo. 1, 2, 3. Does it look good? Okay. It looks okay.
Yeah, it looks okay.
Okay. Magmumukbang kami right now. Siguro lang. Excuse me. Okay. So they have yung dip. Ito yung special sauce nila. Okay. And then they also have...
Okay, it's not gonna work.
No, it's not gonna work. It's fine.
Okay.
They have their special sauce. I think ito yung supposed
Flagship
sauce nila.
Ano yung
With that. Yes.
Kapal.
Yeah.
Ano yung isa, yung binibila natin?
Ito yung honey butter. Ha?
Ano yung isa pang
I
binibila
forgot
natin?
Chicken. Forgot.
I forgot
Also. But, taste test muna. But before we ramble. Siguro na ako. I think this is supposed to be drizzled on. What do you think? Or dip na lang natin?
Dip lang. Parang maple.
Okay. Pray first. Father and Son. Amen.
This is the Lord, this gift which we are about to receive from the Lord, to Christ our Lord. Amen.
Father and Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay. Let's go. Let's go eat! Mwahaha.
Take this.
Okay, I take this.
Okay, I will try the honey butter. Oh, how good. Masarap yung honey butter. Matamis na siya pa rin.
Matamis siya. Masyado matamis?
Matamis siya.
Yeah.
Sarap. And it's real chicken. There's your nuggets.
Ayun guys. I mean, this is chicken thighs. No?
Hindi siya matabang eh. Pag matabang kasi na chicken fillet, breast yun.
No, pero look eh. I'm actually confused. Is it breast or is it chicken thigh?
I think it's breast.
I think it's breast too. Kasi it has strands. But, for a breast.
Sarap.
Oh. Try natin yung fries niya.
Hindi siya McDo type of fries.
They're like KFC type of fries. Kain po.
Crispy.
That's really nice.
Masarap yung dip. Yung special sauce nila. Medyo spicy siya. Spice.
Mm-mm. Ay, hindi siya manghang.
Medyo maanghang, but it's spicy. Maraming kick. Sana naririnig niyo yung crunch kasi masarap. Ngayon lang ulit nag-fried food.
Saan natin yung... Yeah. It's been so long since we ate fried food, no?
Gandang pagtrantahin na.
Ang layo pa natin sa 30. Magunos dili ka nga. Nakaka-offense sa mga kaedad natin. Okay, like.
Wala na iwan. Masarap siya. Marami pa silang ibang, may dalawa pa silang other choice ng dips. Merong cheese and, ano yung isa? Ano yung isa? Cheese tsaka,
Salsa.
next target ko yung salsa dip na.
It's a fresh yun.
Okay. Okay. Nakakain ka na medyo. Pwede na tayo mag-blabber. Pwede na tayo
Mag-yap.
yab-yaban.
Okay. Let me just get some water. For you.
Thank you.
And for me. Okay. Before we go to our topic. Ganda natin nangyari kahapon.
Mamaya sa akin. Okay. Guys, nagmamotor kasi kami.
Yes.
Nagmamotor kami. And, kagabi, may kasama kaming friend. And then, we went to this cafe.
GB. GB Cafe in Katipunan Street sa Marikina.
GB Cafe.
Ito yung...
It's your page.
Yeah, that's their page.
Ayun. Punta kami doon ng gabi.
Yeah.
Tapos, syempre, dala namin yung motor. So, park kami doon sa harap. Alam mo, that was the only time na that is the first and only time na iniwan lang namin yung helmet sa ibabaw ng motor.
Kasi
Kasi
usually,
sabi namin, yung seat kasi na kinuha ng friend namin, sa may, as in,
bungad lang.
pinto and then seat, yun na yun.
Yeah.
So, sabi namin, pagka dating namin doon, iwanan na lang namin yung helmets doon sa motor kasi kita naman namin.
Yeah.
TLDR, nanakaan kami ng helmet.
I'll show the clip here. So, it was very smart of the guy. Halatang din niya yung first time gawin.
Yeah, pero sabi naman kasi, ni-race namin dun sa barista. / may-ari.
Yeah.
Tapos yun, sabi sa amin, fourth na daw kaming nawalan ng helmet dun sa area. Malupit no? Anyway, dahil doon, I guess, kahit helmets, kinukuha na ngayon. So, if nakamotor kayo, feeling ko kahit gano'n pa kaluma yung helmet nyo, just secure it properly. Medyo, anomaly siya sa amin kasi Wala. Marikina naman eh. Pero kasi hinala namin yung gumawa. Hindi siya taga Marikina. Since tawid kasi nun kainta na.
Yeah.
I mean, no offense, but tagal na, I mean, dito kasi talaga kami sa Marikina nakatira. And
Parang sanay
safe
na ako.
dito.
Yeah.
Safe dito.
Anyway,
Okay.
review it first. How do you like it?
Hindi pa ako tapos kumain, pero I like it. Babalik.
But, I think,
Alam ko na yan.
price to amount ratio, it could be better.
Hindi siya 1:1 with the
Mm.
price.
Okay. We got the whole thing for, actually yung price na is 485.
Yeah.
It doesn't really scream 485 for me. Yet, parang I would have preferred either bring the price down to like, I don't know, 400. Is that a big ask? I don't think so. Ba?
Yeah.
Bring it to 400. Or if you really want to keep the 485 price, add one more tender.
Or add more fries.
Add more tender. Add more fries.
Mm.
Basta make the thing fuller.
Yeah.
Kasi, di ba, nakita niyo pagbukas, medyo malungkot.
Hindi naman. Ano lang, marami lang space, ganun. Ako personally, yung tenders okay sa akin kasi,
Masarap siya.
yeah, I mean, yung taste, ibang topic kasi masarap siya.
Yeah, masarap siya.
At yung ratio lang. Yung tenders kasi, di ba naka-number naman?
5.
Numbered yung tenders, so okay, fine, 5.
But I will,
Yung fries lang, parang ano ako kasi, I expected more of the fries. But masarap.
parang ina-expect ko, everything is, like yung buong baba, buong
Fries.
base, fries lang. And then you have the tenders. And I was expecting the tenders to be bigger.
Yeah.
Actually, medyo nahinalo ko na yun kasi nung pagkakuha ko nung food natin. Sabi ko, ba't parang gaan? Yeah, pero for what it is, masarap siya. Just that hindi siya, like value-wise, money-wise, it's not the best deal out there.
It's not the best deal out there. Correct.
Yeah.
Especially you have 24 chicken.
Yeah, you have 24 chicken, you have bok chicken.
Mm.
They may not be tenders, like hindi sila tender type of chicken, but you know,
For chickens.
for chicken,
Na finger food chickens.
mas sulit.
Masulit
Kasi
pa rin
like,
yun.
how much yung doon 385? Something like that, right? Even
Okay.
cheaper.
Suki kami ng ano eh. Suki kami ng
So, alam
fried
namin yung
chicken.
presyo. But, actually, let me look it up right now. Habang,
24 chicken.
yeah.
Rice. Yung half-half lagi namin kinukuha din. Kasi
Yeah, just
masarap
so-
yung JD.
Just so I can confirm kung magkano. Pero I'm pretty sure it's 385. And for what you get for the 385,
lot.
that's a lot. Parang 385, that's like 7 pieces of chicken. Ay, 319 nga eh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, 320, half boneless chicken. That
Yeah.
half boneless is like 7 pieces.
The thing is, ano kasi, malalaki yung chops nila. Anyway, masarap siya.
So, I don't know kung saan ako nag-cut off, but, ayun, 320 for 7 pieces of chicken. So, for me, that's like better value. So, actually, I'm just
Yeah,
gonna send,
Ano?
no, magre-review ako sa
Okay.
kanila. I'll just tell them.
Ako din.
Like, kasi mukhang kami yung first customers.
Kakabukas lang kasi nila. And hindi kami nag-24 chicken kasi nga, lagi na ako nagka-24.
Kasi sarado sila kahapon. So, this is the first time I saw them open.
Oo. And, tawag dito, we wanted to try it kasi iba yung binibenta dun sa place na yun before. It used to be a cafe.
It used to be a cafe. Different story, but parang we wanted to try it. We were intrigued. So, masarap naman siya.
Masarap siya.
Ano lang, would have wanted more fries.
As in, it can compete.
Yeah. Just bring the price lower a bit.
Or, dagdagan na lang. Ganun. Or
Oo.
basta yun, improve the price to...
Will be, magkano lang naman fries eh. Compared sa, I mean, mas okay nga, para mas madali for them to just add more fries. Then add another chicken tender. Diba? Dagdagan lang yung fries. Kasi yung fries yung pinakakanin in this meal eh.
Ayun, kaya din nagulat ako na medj less yung fries na yun na-expect ko. Kasi parang yun yung rice or like mabigat na part ng meal.
Yeah. So, for what is, hindi siya sulit. Pero masarap siya.
Yeah.
Pero hindi siya sulit. In this economy. So, yeah. Something to note if you want to try them out.
Sarap daw.
Yeah, masarap. Anyway. Speaking of, let's rank our tao dito?
Dati
Let's
mo
rank.
pa nga yun na-introduce yung topic eh.
Okay.
Panagad.
The topic for today is fast food restaurants in the
Yan.
Philippines.
Yan.
Okay.
Kasi bilang gutom na kami today.
Yeah, let's just might as well talk about
Food!
might as well talk about food. Okay? So
Hmm.
right now, let me just pull up the tier list. Fast food restaurants in the PH. There you go.
Mahilig kasi kami kumain. As in,
Yes.
Yeah.
We love food. Okay? So let me just record it.
who wouldn't?
Yeah. Recording in 3, 2, 1. Okay.
That's a lot. Okay.
Yeah. That's a lot. So,
Ay, kasama yung Goldilocks. Wow.
for audio only audience, let me run down the restaurants, okay? Restaurants that we have here is Pizza Hut, Yellow Cab, Jollibee, Wendy's, Chowking, Zorks, Tropical Hut, McDonald's, Greenwich, KFC, Bonchon, Mang Inasal, Goldilocks, Shakey's, Tokyo, Red Ribbon, Papa John's, and SNR. May mga
Okay,
di ba tayo
that's all.
nasama?
Okay na yan.
Okay na yan for now. And then, yung tier namin would be perfect, really good, alright, meh, bad, shit. Okay. So, let's start. Para we have a system. You give your ranking. You give your pros and cons muna. You give your pros and cons. Okay. And then you give your ranking. Yun lang, simple lang.
Okay.
Okay. Let's start first yung mga hindi gaano kilala. Unahin
Papa
natin yung
John's.
Papa John's. Yeah.
You introduce that kasi parang
I'm not eligible also to like rank Papa John's kasi I haven't tried Papa John's.
I tried it but
Hindi mo na maalala.
Hindi ko na maalala kasi
Yeah.
hindi naman ako umulit so.
So, let's just
Wala
put...
natin isama.
Yeah, wala natin isama yung Papa John. How about yung hindi ganong kilala here?
Okay, tropical. Ay, hindi. Kilala yan eh.
Ano na lang? Zarks. Kasi Zarks is kinda not so fast food eh.
Okay.
Or...
Zarks, okay. Pros and cons. Lagi kong di nauubos yung burgers nila.
Cons yan.
Hindi. Ay, ano ba? For me, hindi siya con. Kasi malaki yung serving nila. At least, the last time I ate sa Zarks,
Sorry. Okay. So, for you, malaki yung serving sa Zarks.
Oh, the last time I went there.
Mhm.
Malaki yung serving nga. And marami silang options ng burgers. Parang they have an extensive menu for burgers. Hindi ko alam if con siya, pero aside from burgers kasi, parang wala silang masyadong options na food. Diba?
Oh, parang Zark's Burgers.
Oo, yun lang. Parang sobrang extended na yon yung options nila na hindi burgers. Pero yun, parang ilang food items lang yung hindi burgers.
Yeah, they have, siguro aside from burgers, they have chicken wings.
Oh, na
They
may
have
rice.
chicken wings, they have sides, so they have fries, they have nachos, I think. I don't remember if they had pasta. Did they have
Parang
pasta?
wali.
Not sure. The Zarks have pasta.
Wala.
I don't think they have. Let's just say they don't have. Okay.
No, wala silang pasta. So like, pupunta ka talaga sa Zarks for burgers.
For burgers. Which is not a bad
Okay
thing.
lang, yeah, okay lang.
Yeah. Para at least when you think of burgers, you think of
Zarks.
Zarks. Or like, you think of Zarks, you think of burgers.
Okay lang. It's not a con.
Yeah, it's fine.
Feeling ko con lang siya kapag, kunwari, may friend ka nagyaya sa Zarks, tapos ikaw,
Wala ka sa mood.
ayaw mo ng burger.
Oo. Like, wala ka sa mood mag-burger.
Oo, kakainin mo lang doon fries lang.
Yeah. So, for you, Zarks is...
Zarks is...
Okay, for me, pros and cons. Pros for Zarks.
Lakas ang boses mo.
Ay, sorry. Pros for Zarks. Okay, I love burgers eh. Ano yan eh? Burger pizza. 1 and 2 yan. So, there are faces na mas bet ko pizza, there are faces na mas bet ko burgers.
Can't say the same. Dami kong gustong food. Hindi. May top 2 rin ako, no? What's yung top 2? Ano yung top 2 ko?
Ramen and...
No.
No, sushi and...
Sushi and dumplings.
Sushi and dim sum.
Sushi and dim sum, and then there's ramen.
Okay. So, for
Next
Zarks...
time, magmukbang kami, sushi.
Sushi. Wala kasing gawin mamukbang sa sushi, no?
Oo.
Okay. So, for Zarks, pros ko, they make really good burgers kasi that's what they're known for. Okay. Con would be the inconsistency of branches.
Yeah.
There are some branches of Zarks na laging walang palyam, masarap yung pagkakaluto ng burger nila. There are some na parang tulog yung nagluluto.
Yeah.
So that's something to...
Are you for real?
That's something to like think about. Like how to keep the quality tight, how to ensure quality is uncompromised regardless of the branch.
Yes.
So I don't know, it's just a common thing na napansin ko kasi imagine I go to Zarks in Eastwood.
We used to go to Zarks lagi.
Yeah. We go to Zarks Eastwood. Lagi masarap there.
Okay, I haven't tried sa East.
Even in Cubao,
Yung
diba?
Cubao, masarap.
Masarap.
Yung SM Marikina.
Sa SM Marikina when they still had Zarks there. Minsan sunog, minsan I don't know. It's just inconsistent.
Parang last time ako nag-Zarks sa Fisher Mall.
Oh, masarap din.
Masarap din, oo.
It's really reliant kasi on the skills of your cooks. Kasi they, from what I know,
Hamburgers.
parang pre-made yung patties. But they still cook it eh. The moment you order. So, nagkakatalo dyan how they cook it. If they cooked it tamang temperature, tamang time, whatever. So,
Yeah, burgers pa naman very reliant on cooking. As in, kung paano mo siya niluto.
So, I'm judging them right now as a burger place. So, for Hannah, it's 8.
For me, it's art.
Ako, I will, just because of the inconsistency alone, I can't put it in good. I also put it in 8. Yeah, I think we can set it in 8. Hindi naman siya meh for me. Kasi
Ako din, di ba?
happy naman ako pa ni desserts ako.
But, yun kasi, parang, if kunwari kami, nasa labas kami, and like, isipin namin sa kami kakain, parang Zarks is not one of those top choices.
Parang pag sumasapit lang yung Zarks sa utak ko kapag nakikita ko yung Zarks.
Oh, or like,
Uy, may Zarks dito.
Oo.
Gusto mo mag Zarks?
not even, gusto ko ng burger today. Let's go to Zars. Hindi eh.
Hindi, minsan, pag gusto ko ng burger today, luto tayo ng burger.
Kasi nagluto na siya ng burger.
So, Right.
Okay. Yeah,
next.
Next
Red
one.
Ribbon.
Mamaya na yan. Actually, I don't consider it fast food.
Yeah, I don't want to put Red Ribbon. I don't want to put Goldilocks. I know there's food in Goldilocks, but I haven't tried food in Goldilocks.
I do have something to say though sa food nila.
Masarap, diba?
Yeah, but
Oh, you don't like it? What? Why?
I don't like it kasi, I don't know, hindi ko alam kung ganun sa lahat ng branch nila. Pero usually, dun sa branches na napupuntahan ko, yung food nila parang laging pre-made.
Like parang nakapakete.
Hindi, not even. Parang wala. Parang luto na siya, ganun. Tapos is waiting there for quite some time. Until may mag-order sa kanila, ganun.
Oh, yeah.
Parang hindi siya
I mean,
freshly cooked, hindi siya freshly...
Yeah, pero if you're, kaya nga siya considered na fast food though. Diba?
Yeah, but like not the same as McDo. Not the same as
siguro
Bonchon even.
Alam ko na why. The food selection. Yung food selection kasi sa Goldilocks.
Very Pinoy.
Very Pinoy, very home cooked, very homemade, and then and then the way they prepare it is fast food.
Feeling ko yun.
Feeling ko yun. Kasi Pinoy food is always good to prepare it fresh.
Yeah.
Parang ilan lang yung nagbe-benefit to be a fast food type of food. Maybe lumpia, Shanghai.
Or like yung, alam mo yung mga
Fried. Yeah. But even then, yung fried ng Pinoy, like halimbawa, you can only reheat bagnet sa oil X amount of times before it turns bitter and soggy and makunat.
Yeah.
So, not ranking Goldilocks.
We're not ranking Goldilocks.
We're not ranking Papa John's. We're not ranking Red Ribbon.
Red Ribbon even. Wala naman ibang food ng Red Ribbon. Ano yung ano nila? Yung empanada.
Okay. Next.
Saan ba ng banana cue? Or kainin ko?
Okay naman yun.
Excuse the cat.
Hindi na naririnig yun.
Okay, there's a cat outside. Okay. Next. Meron ako. Pizza Hut. I don't like pizza. I mean, okay, una ko na. I don't like Pizza Hut. I don't like Pizza Hut. Yung last time ko sa kanila nag-order na hindi pizza was sa carbonara. Yung carbonara nila, mas magaling pa magluto. I mean, I'm not a bad cook, but I'm just saying. For its price, yun na yun. Tsaka yung pizza naman nila, very doughy. Parang mas tinapay siya na pizza. Pero gusto ko yung nila. Gusto ko yung ano yun? Cheese stuffed or sausage stuffed crust.
That's what I don't like from sa nila.
I like that kasi may ako sa cheese. But, hindi pa rin siya, it doesn't make it better for me kasi ang dami namang bread na may cheese or like may mozzarella cheese naman.
I don't like...
Basta I don't like Pizza Hut.
So we're gonna put it where? Bad?
Yeah, for me. Yeah. Hindi.
I'll put Pizza Hut.
I mean, kakainin ko pa rin naman siya.
The thing is with pizza places.
Yeah.
Okay. Madalas sa pizza places.
It comes with the standards.
Yes, and it's super common to buy pizza. Tapos, imagine, mas masarap pa siya kapag nireheat mo na. Kasi, for context, how I reheat pizza, parang, you use a pan, put it on high heat, pag super init na, that's when you put the pizza. And then, so para toasted yung crust. And then, you splash water on it, tatakpan mo, para naman yung cheese melted. And then, that method almost always gives me better pizza than when I just got the pizza from the place. So, same thing with Pizza Hut. Parang super doughy, the crust isn't there. Parang,
mas tinapay siya na pizza.
Parang, okay sa akin ng Pizza Hut when I'm like, parang gusto ko ng pizza today. Pero I'm not di ako G for a big box. Gusto ko lang na slice. Pantawid gutom, merienda. Ganon. Ganon yung Pizza Hut for me.
Kasi they also sell yung per slice na pizza. And dati rin kasi nung high school ako, may Pizza Hut, may nagbibenta ng Pizza Hut sa school. Mas yun din, slices din. So yun, merienda talaga siya. Kasi
So,
nakabusog siya.
Sa yung choices,
Food choices.
food selection, parang I only know their pizza.
Their pasta is bad. That's all I'm gonna say.
So for me, it's also bad. Sorry, Pizza Hut.
Yeah, it's bad.
Next,
I don't like it.
since we're in the category of pizzas, let's talk about Shakey's. Our alma mater's favorite pizza place.
Shakey's. Okay, ikaw muna.
Okay, me first. I love Shakey's.
I love Shakey's.
I love Shakey's. Shakey's is
Go-to.
it's my teenage life. Teenage food. All throughout my high school life, we always have Shakey's. Any event in school, any gathering, even outside school na may party, whatever. People always bring Shakey's. Basta if you're from Admo, it's always Shakey's. No fail. So for me, laking Shakey's ako. Laking Shakey's ako. So it's gonna cloud my judgment and because of nostalgia and all that. But judging it as objectively as I can, maalat ang pizza ng Shakey's. Maalat ang pizza ng Shakey's.
I don't know. Feeling ko kasi, ako, dagdag din sa bias yung, hindi kasi ako mahilig sa thin crust na pizza.
Kasi, okay.
Hindi ko alam kung inconsistency siya, pero there are Shakey's places na parang karton yung
Inconsistency yun feeling
parang
ko.
karton yung pizza na. But, aside from the pizza, kasi ako din, usually kapag nag-Shakey's kami, or like nakakapag-Shakey's ako, usually yung nila, yung meal set nila.
Mas panalo sila compared sa Pizza Hut.
Oo naman. Kasi,
They have pasta, they have spaghetti, and they have carbonara.
Masarap yung pasta.
Masarap yung pasta nila. Even yung chicken, even if maalat for some yung chicken.
Ay, maalat yung chicken nila, yun, oo.
Maalat yung chicken nila, but for me...
Pati gravy maalat, I don't know why.
Yes. Oh my God. Fine, sige, maalat. But like, sarap na sarap talaga ako sa chicken na Shakey's. Feel ko kasi, hindi siya maalat because of the salt.
Yung spice.
It's maalat because of the spices. But it's still maalat.
Maalat siya.
So tama ka dyan. I will not contradict na hindi siya
Maalat
maalat kasi maalat talaga siya. So,
yeah.
So yes. But, for Shakey's, it's way better talaga than Pizza Hut.
It's better than by a lot.
So,
As in, between Pizza Hut and Shakey's, never ako magdadalawang isip
yeah.
to go in Pizza Hut or in Shakey's.
So, ang tawag dito?
What?
Put the mic closer.
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay. So where will you put?
Is it better than Zark's?
Yes.
I think it's better than Zark's. Consistency
It is better
alone.
than Zark's. Ano kasi siya, parang Pizza Hut is my go-to kapag may okasyon na medyo special. You go to Shakey's.
Yeah. So like my birthday or like anniversary or like...
Oo. Basta anything na iko-congrats mo or basta ganun. Go to Shakey's. Siguro din kasi it's so easy to buy their food. Yung meal set nila. As in, pag nakita mo siya, okay, yan na lang.
Oo. And...
Tapos they also have, they also have salad. Tapos recently, mozzarella sticks. Masarap yung mozzarella sticks nila.
Yeah, masarap yung Shakey's for me.
But,
it's Americanized Pinoy food. Or Filipinized American food.
Filipinized American food, yeah.
Yeah.
I just don't see the point of having milk teas in Shakey's.
It's for a specific demographic.
Yeah, but I don't see
It's one of those pitches na, alam nyo, uso yung milk tea, mag-milk tea nga tayo.
Yeah, and hindi siya masarap.
May burger din eh. There's like,
I haven't tried the burger, pero I tried the milky, hindi siya masarap. And, ano pa ba? Nuggets. Yung nuggets nila na vegetarian.
yung vegan nuggets.
Just don't order it.
I don't like food na biniveganize.
Hindi masarap yung vegan nuggets nila.
Like vegan burgers, I don't like it. Teka.
Yeah, and
Ang alat kaya, do you guys know how much sodium there is?
hindi siya maalat for me na katulad ng alat sa chicken line, whatever. But, sobrang weird ng lasa. I don't know.
Kasi ano yung Uncanny Valley?
Ganun. It's giving that.
It's giving Uncanny Valley for your taste buds.
Oo. Kasi
Parang-
parang nuggets yung kinakain ko, di ba?
Sherborne's
Bakit?
nuggets, so, but parang hindi siya
Bakit?
exact. Parang, it's close to the taste of nuggets,
Tsaka.
but it's not quite there.
It's not parang ano. Syempre, fried pa rin yun. And like, the way they probably fry it. Parang natatalo din naman nun yung pagka-vegan. Ang pagkain.
Feeling ko
Like, it's na, parang yung pagka-vegan niya, it's also a lot of preservatives. So,
parang yung
just go eat a fucking salad.
parang for them, yung pagka-vegan niya, it's so that wala lang animal product there. It's not necessarily a healthier option.
Hindi siya healthier option.
Grabe kaya sodium nun.
Hindi rin siya masarap.
Yeah.
Just go get a salad. May salad naman sa Shakey's.
Okay.
Ay,
Next.
also pala.
Oh.
Kung pupunta kayo sa Shakey's, pwede kayo mag-request ng more cheese. And more sauce.
They have, meron yung sa side na
pero
garlic parmesan.
i-request mo siya.
Oh, ay garlic parmesan cheese. Yeah.
We always do that. Tsaka yung sauce nila ganyan, kunwari, yung spaghetti, pwede kayo mag-request ng additional sauce kung kulang. Kasi we always do that.
Yeah, pero I love Shakey's. It's still good.
It's so good.
Still good.
Okay, next. Pizza pa rin. Kasi ang dami natin pizza
SNR.
there. Wait lang, mamaya na yan.
Ano?
Greenwich muna.
Greenwich, meh. I'm gonna say it already, meh.
I don't like Greenwich.
Is it bad for you?
I don't know.
I think it's better than Pizza Hut.
It's meh kasi they have a lasagna.
Masarap yung
lasagna nila.
If you think of Greenwich, you think of the lasagna first before the pizza.
I don't like their pizza. Although decent, more decent than Pizza Hut.
Pero yung pizza nila parang
Pinoy pizza.
Parang mas flagship for them ang Hawaiian pizza. Kasi Pinoy is really
Pinoy
like
pizza.
Hawaiian pizza.
Yun.
Oh.
And, yeah, tamang nasa meh siya. Kasi, ang kinakain ko lang dyan, honestly, is carbonara and chicken. Tsaka yung lasagna.
It's like be?
Masarap yung carbonara. Between Pizza Hut and Shakey's, mas masarap yung carbonara ng Greenwich.
Parang baby Shakey's siya.
Yeah.
Think of it. Di ba? Parang siyang baby Shakey's.
Budget meal Shakey's.
Budget meal Shakey's, yeah. Parang the selection.
Cute din, kasi sila, may pizza sila na...
Malit lang.
Oo.
Pang sa'yo lang. Di ba?
4-inch.
Oo.
Cute.
So, yeah. Greenwich is like...
The Pinoy version of Shakey's for me.
Basta it's like parang siyang baby Shakey's.
Oo.
Talaga. Kasi yung selection of food, it's the same.
Yeah. That's all I'm gonna say about Shakey's. Not the
SNR.
best pizza. SNR is... I like SNR pizza.
Okay, the thing is, ganito. I'm not gonna rank it yet. I think SNR pizza is better than all of these pizzas so far in our tier list.
Correct.
Tier list. Okay. Kasi
Correct.
it's better than Pizza Hut. Definitely. Better than Greenwich. And better than Shakey's. It's like really New York. At least that's the closest. At least from this selection of pizzas, SNR is like the closest to New York pizza.
Sarap yung pizza nila. Parang it's the place na good thing na may sila, good thing na may chicken sila and other food, but frankly, they don't need the other food options.
Parang gusto kong mag-crave ng pizza.
Parang
Tara, SNR tayo saglit. Ganun.
Oo.
Kuha ka dalawang slice of
Well, ako kasi, I've known
slice.
SNR the first time through their pizza and chicken. Masarap yung chicken nila. Better than Shakey's chicken. Hindi siya maalat. Tapos malalaki pa yung chicken.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Gusto may lalagay. But, yung price. Mahal ang SNR pizza eh.
For a slice, no?
Oo, mahal siya. I mean, malaki
Magkano
kasi.
ba ang Shakey's pizzas?
I think mas mahal ang SNR. You can check.
Shakey's pizza.
Pretty
Tagal ko na kasi hindi nag-Shakey's.
Ako, I don't know kasi hindi kami umorder ng pizza lang sa
Oo,
Shakey's.
laging deal. 1.4.
Yeah, it is. Mas mahal yung SNR.
Magkano ba SNR?
1.8, 1.6.
Really?
Yung buo
So, 18-inch?
Yeah. Ano mo?
No.
Oh!
It's cheaper.
It's actually cheaper.
Wait, magkano? 700 yun, no? Tapos this one.
18-inch No. Sir, i-compare mo
Just
dun sa regular,
ito. Ayun, no? Pepperoni is 1.2.
80. Oh, mas mura
Mas
sa
mura sa SNR. Okay.
SNR. Okay, yeah. It's better than Shakey's then.
Yeah, way better than Shakey's. Value alone. Diba?
I've always thought mas mahal yung pizza ng SNR.
Ako rin.
Kasi mas masarap siya. Well, di ko naman kasi alam prices ng pizza sa Shakey's.
Should we compare?
Lagi kasi kaming, lagi kaming deals. Pag
If
kumakain.
actually, may laban yung Shakey's kasi usually when people buy from Shakey's, they have the Shakey's card. Buy one, take one.
Huwag mo na isama yan. You're overcomplicating it.
No, para medyo, even then, feeling ko, if you chop it down to half, so you want to, maging 600.
Yeah, but not everyone eating
Has
in
it.
Shakey's has it.
Okay, fine. Still better than Shakey's either way.
It's
even if
better
same
than
sila price or not.
Shakey's.
But,
Di ako mahilig sa
But yung-
pizza, pero pag may SNR pizza, laging pengi ako.
compared to like, the selection of food,
The selection of food naman, sa SNR kasi, sobrang konti compared
They
sa
just have the
Shakey's.
pizza eh.
But, kasi hindi naman lahat ng food items sa Shakey's masarap.
Or kung na really good.
I'm okay with putting it as good as Shakey's.
Ako rin, hindi na ako convinced to make it really good.
Uh,
Kasi pizza talaga yung masarap.
Pizza
But
masarap.
like everything else is an afterthought.
Actually, hindi na.
Ay, masarap.
Masarap yung
Chicken.
Masarap yung chicken nila. I told you, masarap yung chicken nila.
Yeah.
It's better than Shakey's yung chicken nila. And masarap din yung Salisbury steak nila.
Really good na lang.
Yeah, sige.
Okay. Next. Pizza pa rin.
Okay,
Yellow
I
Cab.
think, is it the last one for pizza?
Yeah, I think so.
Last one for pizza.
Yellow Cab.
Yellow Cab. Some people would say Yellow Cab is really good.
I'm not one of those people.
I'm not one of those people.
Siguro kasi
as
hindi
well.
kami pala Yellow Cab.
Hindi din kasi
Masarap yung Charlie Chan nila.
Hindi, kasi, ganto, hindi kami usually nag-yellow cab, but kasi, for the few times, or like, for the times na nag-yellow cab
Hindi rin
ako,
naman tayo
hindi
napawaw.
ako masyado nag-enjoy sa food nila.
Mm.
And mahal din.
Oo.
Mahal yung food nila, for what it is. Hindi rin ganun kalaki yung serving nila.
There are some people.
Pizza alone, di ko nga matandaan yung, parang there's something special for me sa pizza ng yellow cab.
They have these weird, like, flavors eh.
Yeah, but
But,
parang if hindi ako satisfied dun sa flagships nila. Parang hindi rin ako babalik just to try the other ones.
yeah.
So, I'm putting it in 8.
Yeah, it's not.
I tried their chicken. I tried their
So it's better than Greenwich then?
Oo.
Parang tama lang.
Yeah. Na-try ko yung pasta nila. Masarap naman. Pero, same thing. Parang I can do better sa pasta nila. So, yeah.
Ako
kasi
walang ganong
value
ma-comment.
alone. Tsaka sa value, yung value din kasi. Mahal kasi yung food choices sa Yellow Cab.
Yellow Cab is very forgettable for me. Kaya okay lang din ako sa 8.
For me, it's 8.
For the few times that I tasted Yellow Cup, it's better than Greenwich naman.
Correct. Okay.
Next.
Next. Nag-burger tayo kanina.
No, later. Wait. Iwanan natin yung big dogs. Iwanan natin yung Jollibee, McDo,
Yeah, mamaya na
KFC.
yan.
Mamaya na yun.
Next. Tropical.
Tropical.
I have a lot to say about tropical.
I like tropical. Okay, I love... no, I'm conflicted.
Bakit?
Tropical is such a classic fast food chain in the Philippines. And for a time, it was very struggling. And then, I don't know if you guys remember, there was like this whole
This
campaign
whole campaign na
to revive Tropical Hut during the pandemic, I think.
parang after.
After the pandemic. Basta during that time. And kasi parang palugi na, whatever. But,
They revived it.
yeah,
They
na-revive
survived.
naman. Revive naman.
They
But like,
survived.
look at it. Just look at it for what it is. It's not good. Why am I paying like almost 200 pesos for rice and lumpia? Lumpiang Shanghai. Let's look up the prices of Tropical Hut.
Parang ano kasi, sila yung isa sa fast food na never na nag-change or like, basta parang never na silang nag-adapt to,
Yeah.
never na na-upgrade yung menu nila.
Guys, look at it Imagine, yung Clubhouse sandwich na yan. Hindi ka mabubusog dyan. It's 181. Yung tropical cheeseburger na yan, na maliit lang, parang siyang minute burger
But,
type of burger. 108.
yeah, and yung most recent time na nag-tropical hot ako was, I think, last year. Dito sa may riverbanks. Tapos, ang in-order namin nun ay breakfast. Imagine yung pure foods na corned beef and rice na sinangag. Magkano? 200 something.
Oo. At, is it a branch thing?
Siguro, pero
Kasi
kasi,
tingnan mo.
pero kasi,
Tingnan mo yung Food Panda.
hear me out.
Yeah, I know.
Dati kasi, I mean, di naman ako laking tropical, but, ang ang natitikman ko kasi sa tropical before ay yung burger nila. Masarap yung burger nila before. And I don't know now, kasi hindi ko pa siya natatry ulit. But, yun nga, parang if may something sulit sa kanila, based on my experiences before, it's going to be their burgers. As in, yung yung special burger nila before. Not that regular burger. Yung naka-foil.
Oo. I'm conflicted.
Sarap yan eh. Pero, ayun nga.
It could be a branch thing.
Ayun nga, ano kasi siya, as in, if you look at it and yung food offerings nila, based on their prices, masyado siyang mahal.
Oo.
Siguro kasi it's a fast food that banks mostly upon nostalgia.
No, saka, ano yung theory natin before? Kaya medyo mahal sa Tropical Hut for what they're giving you. Okay, ito yung theory namin. Look at Tropical Hut, look at the people eating there, especially in the morning. Always the senior citizens.
Yeah,
At least,
nostalgic.
even, not just in our place
Oo, laging
in
seniors.
other branches, ganun din. Parang laging seniors yung target market. So, ang theory namin, it could be them compensating for the PWD, for the senior citizen discounts.
Oo.
Yun yung theory namin.
Yeah.
There's no, we're not saying it's the truth, but
kasi yung demographic
theory
talaga
lang.
yung demographic talaga ng nilang customers nila. It's always has been geared towards older people.
Totoo. So,
para siyang go-to place, parang pagkatapos sila mag-walking sa umaga, ganun. Or like, makikita sila mga amiga, ganyan. Tropical. Kasi alam ko may ano din sila. Alam ko may free coffee din kasi sila doon.
Ano yung coffee?
Oh?
Only?
Ayun.
Okay. So, where are we putting it?
For me, I'm gonna put it in May.
Nah. We'll put it in bad.
Tropical. Ikaw. Either way, hindi siya, if kakain man ako sa tropical, malamang niyaya ako mag-tropical.
I think it's bad. Sorry guys. If you're a tropical hot fan.
I mean, good for tropical na nag-survive sila.
Basta there's something to be said with their value proposition.
Yeah.
But, again, if yung metrics na na-hit naman, sino ba naman kami para magsabi?
Yeah.
Baka di lang nila kami demographic.
Yeah.
Next. Tokyo.
Okay.
Tokyo is shit.
I frequent in Tokyo just because my mother is a fan of Tokyo.
Tokyo is
And
shit.
their tempura. They're known for their tempura, I think. And their maki.
It's shit.
Very nostalgic sa akin ng Tokyo kasi before when basta bata pa ako noon, lagi ako nakakain ng maki. As in California maki. Ang laki ng California maki nila doon.
Oh, that I can attest.
And consistent. Yung maki
Yung maki. And then yung tempura. But like,
and then yung tempura. Yung tempura nila hit or miss. Minsan maliit.
hindi masarap Tokyo for me.
But for me, feeling ko I'm gonna put it in 8.
No, it's shit.
Really? For you?
For me, it's matabang. And then yung iba, maalat.
Feeling
Kung kumain
ko,
tayo, portions is very, very small. I'm like, umorder
they have
tayo.
They have bento boxes.
Yes, then we ordered a bento box and it was small. I was like, bakit konti lang yung bento box? It's small. I just don't like it.
Maybe.
I'd rather go to
Tama.
a proper...
May something ako dyan with, for you. Siguro kasi, kaya it's so shit for you kasi nauna na siyang nakakain sa
maayos na Japanese
na
restaurant.
Japanese restaurants.
Could be.
So like,
Parang I
standard
already
is
know
up
what's
there.
good. And niladali mo ako sa Tokyo.
But for me, it's 8 kasi kung yayayain ako sa Tokyo, I will still eat there.
Kasi medyo mahal din kaya sa Tokyo.
Medyo, yeah.
It's like same price of Bonchon.
Medyo.
So you're putting it at 8.
I'm
gonna
putting
put
it in
shit.
8.
Let's just put it in bad.
Oh, yeah. Pwede naman.
Ikaw, what do you want? May or bad?
I think meh. If you want.
I'd rather have tropical in May.
Talaga ba? I'd rather have Tokyo naman than tropical.
Just put them both in bad. At least patas.
I'll still eat in Tokyo.
How about next, Wendy's?
Wendy's, I don't like Wendy's.
I don't like Wendy's also.
I don't like Wendy's.
The only time na nakakain ako ng Wendy's ay kapag may mini-meet up ako sa Cubao. So like, before I used to sell shoes. So, minsan ang meet up niyan, Farmers, or like Araneta, or like Wendy's. Kasi Shopwise yun Shopwise.
Wala na Shopwise nga.
So, minsan pag napapaaga ako, wala na yung Shopwise the way nasa Cubao, yung Carnival. Shopwise kasi before. But, anyway, so yun, I go to, okay, Wendy's na tayo magkita. And then, pag napapaaga ako, I just order there. Then, saka lang ako makakain ng Wendy's.
Hindi siya masarap.
Why? I like yung nila, yung Baconator. Wendy's ba yun? Am I making shit up? Yeah, that's Wendy's, right? Baconator.
Basta ako. I don't like Wendy's.
Wendy's what for you?
What do you mean?
From there.
I'm gonna put it in May, I guess.
May?
Okay,
we can settle in May. Kasi I think it's not as good as Zark's.
It's not as good as Zark's.
Okay, we can settle in May.
Kung kumain ako sa Greenwich, malamang pinilit ako. As well as sa Wendy's.
Okay. Ito na. The classic Pinoy.
Wait lang. Wendy's kasi.
Ay, sorry.
Parang sa natatandaan ko, the first time I went to eat in Wendy's is because of their salad. Which, by the way, is not good.
Di ba sila may salad bar?
May salad bar sila and hindi ko alam kung brunch issue.
Kaya hindi mo nagustuhan sa salad nila.
Hindi kasi siya, hindi naman ganun, hindi naman fresh ang lahat sa salad nila. And like, kunwari, yung ano yun?
Dressing?
Yung jelly,
Hmm?
something.
Yung jelly.
May gelatin kasi sila, so parang ilang...
Jello.
Oh, hindi, basta gelatin. Literal gelatin.
Okay.
It's not fresh. It's not giving salad.
Gets naman. I'm not a big fan of Wendy's kasi.
Oh, then I'm not a big fan of Wendy's.
But it's better than It's better than Pizza Hut naman. And... Okay, sorry. And... Yeah.
Okay.
At yun yung big boys.
Feeling ko, wag natin isama yung Bonchon.
Why?
Not a lot of people are going to Bonchon because of the price.
No, but we rank. Tokyo, we rank. Zarch, we rank.
Bro, you just said Toki is shit.
Yeah, but we rank them. But sama na natin
I
yan.
mean, wag natin isama dun sa big stuff.
Okay. Sige, Bonchon na lang muna.
Bonchon.
I love Bonchon.
I like Bonchon.
Parang Bonchon is like a mix for me na ayoko nang masyadong fast food.
Hindi rin siya hit or miss.
Consistent kaya?
Hindi siya hit or miss.
Consistent ng Bonchon.
Sobrang dami ko nang nakainang Bonchon branches.
Para sa lasa.
Pati portions.
Oh. And laki ng chicken nila Laki ng chicken nila.
And they've definitely improved. Kasi dati, nung bago-bago pa lang yung Bonchon.
Nandun pa yung tatrabaho na ate ko.
Bago-bago yung Bonchon. Syempre, we tried it, ganyan. Yung balat lang yung may lasa.
Pero right now, it penetrates na.
Right now, masarap na yung
Iba
chicken
yung
nila.
laman.
As in, hindi mo na hanapin yung balat kapag
Totoo.
kumain ka ng chicken nila.
Yeah.
So, masarap yung Bonchon nila. Masarap yung Bonchon for me. It's consistent throughout branches. Ang ayoko lang ay yung yogurt nila, hindi masarap.
Yung bingsu?
No. Masarap yung bingsu.
Anong yogurt?
May yogurt sila, hindi masarap yung yogurt nila.
Okay. Bonchon for me is nostalgic kasi my sister used to work there.
Hindi.
So, lagi kaming nagbo-bonchon kasi may discount. Also, masarap ang bonchon.
Ako, hindi siya nostalgic for me kasi kailan ko lang naman na-afford ang Bonchon. Mahal kasi siya for me.
Mahal nga ang bonchon. But I love their chicken. Ang combo namin dyan ay laging chicken and rice. And then, ano yung isa? Mandu. We also have mandu. And then, minsan pag ayoko ng chicken,
Fish.
bulgogi ako. Or bulgogi or bibimbol.
Bibimbol masarap.
Yeah. And yun yung ang funny kasi, when we eat in bonchon, pag sinuserve nila yung bibimbol or like yung bulgogi, it looks konti.
Ang dami.
And then you mix it still looks konti. But when you're almost done, nabubusog ka na before mo pa maubos yung actual portion. It's like deceivingly konti.
Feeling ko sa spices din. Ang rich kasi ng bibimbol nila eh.
O saka yung sauces, di ba?
Oo nga, spices.
Sorry, yeah. So, pero, I mean, it's still fast food. So, it's not the healthiest. But I think, I'd argue it's healthier than your typical, like yung quintessential fast food.
A lot of fried stuff pa rin.
Oh, a lot of fried stuff pa rin. But,
yeah, it's fast food anyway.
Yeah, I like bonchon.
I like bonchon. Mahal lang siya for me for most times. Oh yeah, we're putting it in really good. Sarap.
Yeah.
Masarap. Latest discovery namin sa bonchon. Well, yung una kong nagustuhan sa bonchon ay yung fish nila. Rice and fish.
Oo.
Yung fish fillet. Masarap.
Sarap.
Tsaka ang laki.
Yeah. Mas madalas nga tayo hindi natin naubos yung food eh.
Ang dami kasi. Pero masarap yung chicken nila.
Yeah.
Right now, ang pinakagusto ko sa kanila ay yung chicken nila. Masarap din yung chapcha nila. Not to mention yung bingsu.
But bonchon is not something that I can eat every day.
Oo.
I have to be ready to eat bonchon. But I have to
flavorful din kasi. Flavorful yung bonchon.
For what it is, masarap.
It doesn't disappoint.
Yep.
Ang latest discovery namin sa bonchon ay yung tenders nila.
Oo. Oh my God.
Sulit.
Yun yung ano, yung equivalent ng ano, equivalent ng
Sulit,
24
actually.
chicken.
Kaya kami hindi na nagka-24 chicken madalas ngayon. Kasi,
Just get bonchon
we tried,
boneless.
we tried yung bonchon tenders.
Oh, sarap.
Ilan lang yun, parang ilang piraso lang. And
Bonchon
then,
boneless siya. Hindi siya yung tenders.
ayun, boneless. Ano
Oh,
siya, parang
yung chicken fillet na chicken thigh
chicken
fillet.
thigh, chicken thigh fillet. Kasi, that time, parang, ayaw na namin ng 24 chicken kasi nakakailang 24 chicken na kami.
Parang naumay na tayo.
At saka for the price, parang
Konti lang
ang
difference yata.
ang katumbas niya sa 24 chicken ay
Ay, yung half.
half-half. Basta yung madaming
Oh, pero may full din sila. Parang direct sagot talaga nila sa ano, sa 24 chicken.
Masarap.
Sarap.
Masarap.
I bet ko rin yung dips.
Malaki kasi. Feeling ko it's the chicken.
Oo.
They
Pero
have good
ano,
chicken.
it's something that you have to eat habang mainit pa. Masarap pa rin, pero like super, mas ramdam mo yung oil kapag lumamig na siya.
Same din naman sa 24 chicken.
Oh,
Hindi
same
siya
din.
masarap. Hindi siya masarap pag malamig.
Malamig na, yeah.
Anyway, ngayon, masarap sa bonchon.
Oh.
Try nyo yung tenders nila, masarap.
Next.
Ito na, big five.
Ito yung big boys. Choking first?
Yeah, choking first.
Do you like choking?
Honestly.
I don't like choking.
Honestly.
I don't like it anymore.
Yeah, I don't like it anymore.
It's super oily.
Hindi, for me, isang choking sa mga fast food na they never upgraded anything.
Oo.
They never upgraded, or dalawang bagay, they never upgraded, or they just decreased the quality of their food.
Oo nga, parang they're stuck in a time loop.
Parang, okay lang naman if hindi mo i-upgrade yung menu mo or something eh. Not introduce anything, but stay consistent with the quality.
Yeah. Kasi, even feeling ko flavor-wise,
masarap pero don't get me wrong, kakain pa rin ako ng wonton mami nila.
I don't like their chicken. I don't like the chicken loriat.
Chicken nila, malalaki yung chicken nila by the way.
Malaki, but I don't like it.
Ako decent. Masarap pa rin naman. But not like McDo.
Totoo.
Not like Bonchon actually. Feeling ko I'd put it in 8.
Choking is right. Parang if dadali mo ako sa choking, ayaw mo mag-choking. Okay lang ako mag-choking.
I would order their siomai. Masarap ang siomai nila.
Okay. We're almost done. Next.
That's all for choking.
Yeah, that's all for choking.
May kwento ako sa choking.
Ano yan?
Aware ako dun sa point na nag-start akong lilo so choking. Dati kasi gusto ko yung choking. Kasi meron silang fish fillet.
Oo.
Meron silang fish fillet na loriat before. Tapos, na-phase out siya. Then, starting from then on, parang, choking, wala na yung gusto ko. Wag na lang. And then, ang natira na lang na gusto ko talaga sa choking
yung wonton mami.
Yung wonton mami. And yung siomai. Yun na lang.
Yeah, not even yung halo-halo.
Not even. Mas masarap ang halo-halo na inasal. Which brings us
to
to
inasal. I love inasal.
I love inasal, bro. Parang you can never go wrong with inasal. Kung Pinoy ka at ayaw mo ng inasal.
Masarap inasal. Diba? Ang mura pa.
Kung Pinoy ka at ayaw mo ng mang inasal, nagmahal na sila. Recently.
Mura pa rin?
Mura pa rin for the kind of food. But,
also they have only rice. That's a very Pinoy thing. Yung branch dito sa Riverbanks, putik.
Yung chicken nila do, maliit na.
Limit na yung chicken nila. You have to get the PM2.
Alam mo, yung
pecho dapat.
Yung size ng PM2 right now, ganun yung size ng paa before. Nung bago sila. Kasi, okay, yung dati, nag-work sa Riverbanks. So, madalas kami mag-inasal, ganyan. Yeah. Tapos, inasal yung parang for the time that I've known Riverbanks, inasal is kinda one of their OG. Or, I don't know. Basta kung hindi man OG, sobrang tagal na nilang tenant ang inasal. I've seen inasal sa Riverbanks get renovated.
I've seen inasal before. Nabutan mo ba yung inasal na hindi pa siya fast food?
Oh, alam mo yung may partition pa? Yung may reservation?
Oh,
Oh.
parang inasal wasn't a fast food before. Or at least, this lang marketed as such.
Search mo nga.
Was Mang Inasal a fast food chain before? Fast food chain talaga siya
Can you
before.
search yung mga inasal sa
Okay, we
Riverbanks?
can check.
2009
Mang
or ish.
Inasal.
Riverbanks.
Riverbanks. 2009.
Search mo sa images.
Oh, ito ba yun? Hindi, ito na yung na-renovate sila eh.
Yeah, yan na yung, wala na yung,
Yan na yung
wala nang
na-renovate sila.
wala nang any pic of it before.
Ito ba yun?
No.
No. Meron before yung
Also before eh.
luma talaga.
Yung unang-unang itsura ng inasal sa Riverbanks before.
Mang Inasal Riverbanks. Tignan natin. Dito.
Ay, sa Google, ma'am. Sige. Oh, anyway, while he's looking at that, ano talaga? Mang Inasal has a very strong, ano ba?
Lore.
It has a very strong standing in all the fast food options here in the Philippines.
It's a very Pinoy thing kasi. Wala, di ko na makita. Sorry.
Hindi ko na rin makita. Anyway,
Anyway.
nakakailang renovate na sila and I've seen all
Pwede to
that.
sa Google Maps.
Yeah, yung
Oo.
really what may
Tingnan natin,
years.
Sorry guys. We're going on a tangent. Okay.
Tapos before, ang katabi ng inasal ay Figaro.
More dates. How far back did we go? 2014? Ito na yung bago eh.
Bago na yan eh.
Bago na yan eh. Yeah, that's the new inasal already.
Bago na yan.
Pero may
I'm
Figaro
talking
pa.
about like Mang Inasal 2009-ish.
Basta before guys, promise. 2009. Basta Mang Inasal before.
Tapos yung interior pa nila na may mga, alam mo yung parang abaka-ish.
Oo.
Yung design. Tapos may
Mukha talaga siyang restaurant.
lanterns. So, may lanterns.
Mga siyang restaurant.
Yan. Tapos,
Ngayon kasi,
malalaki yung nila, serving nila.
I think they weren't, siguro nung na-acquire sila ng Jollibee.
Yeah.
Yeah, when did Inasal get acquired
Or,
by Jollibee? 2010. Oh, makes sense.
yeah, it makes sense.
Makes sense
Checks
kasi
out.
Inasal was established. When was Inasal established? 2003, yeah. So, that was probably the old Inasal that we know.
Yeah.
Anyway, but we love Inasal.
Alam mo Inasal, medyo nagmahal na sila ngayon. Masarap yung nila. Masarap yung...
Chicken. Halo-halo.
Masarap yung chicken nila.
Palabok.
Masarap yung palabok nila.
Halo-halo nila.
Halo-halo masarap. Although, wala siyang masyadong sahog compared to the
Chowking.
kanto.
Okay.
Kanto, halo-halo. But, masarap yung, alam mo yung yung yellow and the gatas alone.
Oo.
Plus the ice cream, masarap.
Saka masarap din yung barbecue.
Ay,
Maliit lang.
Dati, pag, yung as in old inasal, pwedeng mag-request ng more milk. Tapos they're gonna serve it in a bowl.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Evap yun. Pwede ka mag-request ng extra milk. Tapos they're gonna serve it in a bowl. Tapos ikaw maglalagay dun sa halo-halo.
Okay.
May bago sila ngayon eh, yung Ay, by the way, marami natin hindi nakakaalam. Merong palabok and chicken na meal sa inasal.
Meron, yeah.
Yeah, pero kasi wala siya sa menu.
Oh, it's like a secret menu thing.
Oo.
Masarap din yung Festa packages nila. I also love it.
Masarap yung toge nila. Mahal lang. Kaya, hindi ko masyado in-order.
Are you putting Inasal here? Perfect? It's not perfect.
It's not perfect. But, I think none of these are naman. Sige.
I think, let's just put very good. Great. Not perfect. Great.
Yeah, great. Inasal is great. And if mawawala ang inasal, it's going to be definitely felt by 90% of the population.
Yeah, Mang Inasal is like a big thing for Filipinos talaga.
And the foreigners kayo, foreigners out there should try Mang Inasal.
Okay,
So, masarap.
we're okay with grits. Next.
Ay! Last na. One thing
Okay.
lang na hindi na nagbago sa Mang Inasal.
What?
Yung, nila, soup.
Nor yun eh.
Hindi na nagbago.
Nor lang yun, guys.
Well, dati kasi,
Nor cubes.
dati may mga strips pa ng kamatis, gano'n. Pero ever since talaga, ang tawag namin doon
Ay, Nor.
ng pamilya ko ay, ano yan, sinigang na medyas.
Bastos ka! Putik sinigang.
Kasi, parang there's nothing in it.
There's nothing in it. It's just there to cut through the oil.
There's nothing in it than
And grease.
sourness.
It's just Nor, guys.
It's just nor sinigang.
Yeah.
Pero before nga, may hiblo-hiblo pa ng kamatis. Ngayon, wala na at all.
So, maybe all inasal had sinigang.
Wala. It's just chicken talaga. Chicken and barbecue. Yun na yun.
Why did they have a sinigang? Anyway.
Oo. Tapos people get like 8 cups of rice with 1 chicken.
That was me before. When I was a growing kid.
Damn.
KFC?
Okay, next, KFC. KFC is kind of disappointing nowadays.
I think KFC is still good.
It's still good. I'm not putting it in IT,
Oh, it's still good.
but it's not really good.
Wala akong ganong comment sa KFC. It's just disappointing right now.
They're just disappointing right now. Parang ang pinakamaayos na branch na alam ko sa KFC ay,
Which one?
alam mo yung
Di ba Mega Mall?
Mega Mall is decent. But, yung maayos na KFC na alam ko, alam mo yung sa yung standalone, as in KFC building.
Oo. Pag mall, not much, no?
Mall. Okay, Riverbanks KFC.
I hate
Just
you guys.
fucking avoid it. Huwag na kayo kumain dun.
I hate you guys, sorry. I don't like you guys.
Okay, nung high school ako.
Umorder ako ng flavor shots, putik na 5 piraso maliit mo ang proben.
Nung high school ako, kasama yung friend ko, si Mary. May kasi, may Inasal. May KFC pa. Hanggang ngayon naman, may KFC matagal na sa May Concepcion, katabi ng simbahan. Tapos,
ganun din, flavor shots din yun.
from school, actually, mas okay nga yung KFC dun kaysa dyan sa Riverbanks eh.
Yeah, it's still bad though.
It's still bad, oo. But, ayun, nung high school ako, pagkatapos ng class namin, diretso kami dun halos lagi. Siguro, 3 times a week. Kasi meron silang flavor shots, tapos yun yung parang
Yung best selling for students.
best selling nila for students. Basta
Hindi say
best
cheapest
selling
eh.
nila.
Parang
Kasi
before 50 pesos lang yun eh.
50 pesos lang yun. Eh, ang meals kasi namin sa school before, 50 pesos din.
Oo.
So, may times na hindi kami maglo-lunch sa school. Tapos, after school, tsaka kami kakain. And then, sa KFC. Kasi nga, only gravy.
Oo.
Tapos, yung flavor shots nila, may laman.
Yeah.
Literal na chicken.
Masarap siya. Ngayon guys, oh my God, mas lamang pa yung breading.
KFC is just disappointing right now.
They're just cutting cost.
Pati yung chicken nila, ganun pa rin naman yung lasa. Pero, alam mo yun, maliit. Tapos, pag sinerve sa'yo, parang kulubot na ewan.
Totoo.
I don't know why. Kasi
even if yun yung original recipe, it shouldn't be like that.
It shouldn't be like that. Tapos kasi, parang hindi, I don't know, disappointing siya kasi parang everyday naman sila nagluluto ng chicken kasi nga fast food siya and like many people are still eating in KFC.
Yeah.
So, bakit ganun yung chicken?
Sa akin, okay, there is some saving graces for KFC. Like, I loved yung I love yung Zinger.
Kinikrave ko pa rin naman ng KFC.
I love yung Zinger, I love yung gravy.
Every once in a while.
Yeah. Diba? But, again,
But hindi na siya,
Hindi na
it
siya
wasn't
sulit.
as good as before. Lalo na yung mushroom soup nila. Ako, sa KFC, I always went to KFC for their flavored shots and
Yung mushroom soup.
Actually, flavor shots, mushroom soup, coleslaw. Yung coleslaw nila hindi nagbago.
Masarap pa rin naman.
Mas mahal lang ngayon. Pero masarap pa rin. And before, yung choco mousse na fix-in.
Meron pa ba?
Mix-in, whatever. Wala na
Fix-in,
siya ngayon.
tama, fix-in. Yeah.
Wala na siya ngayon. Matagal na siyang wala. Pero yun. Tsaka yung brownies. Masarap yung brownies nila. Recently, parang nire-revive nila yung
Yung
choco mousse.
Oo.
Parang meron sila nung cake na
Tinry,
holiday
diba
something.
bibili dapat
Oo,
siya.
maliit lang kasi siya. Tapos,
Mahal din. Magkano? 100
mahal
plus?
din. Parang 4-inch lang. Tapos, yeah, mahal siya. Pero masarap yung, ano nila, masarap yung, choco mousse nila before.
Yeah.
Also, yung creme ball nila. Ewan ko. Sobrang
Ayoko
memorable.
yun. May corn. Yun yung may corn, diba? Creme ball.
No. Ice cream yun. Search mo. KFC creme ball.
Nandun sa literal na ball.
Oo, sarap.
Okay, I remember.
Tsaka may ano sila, may Sprite float. O, di ba? Marami pa rin okay
Okay.
sa KFC. But, for their, alam mo yun, yung parang legendary food nila. Disappointing. Twister lalo na. Twister yung wala nang
Oh, wala
laman.
yung laman. No?
I used to love their Twister. As in yung California twist. Whatever.
Yeah, ngayon wala yung laman.
Ano laman, be? Ano yung wrapper? Tapos yung laman na chicken, supposedly, na hot shots. Bread.
Probin nga yun.
Wala
Isa nga
siyang
di nga probin.
proben.
Yun nga, breading lang talaga.
Tapos yung mushroom soup nila ngayon, sobrang labnaw. I don't know why. Anyway,
Jollibee.
we put KFC in good. Okay, next.
Jollibee.
Jollibee. Last na yung McDo. Jollibee.
Bias aside, kasi I know hindi natin favorite ng Jollibee. For what it is.
Jollibee has always been there in my entire existence.
I think Jollibee is really good.
Hindi na siya kasing okay in quality than before.
Oo.
Yung Chicken Joy nila alone, hindi na siya kalasa ng old Chicken
But also,
Joy.
it could also be because nag-iba rin yung taste natin.
Yeah, but still, be. Parang I'm pretty sure naman kung ano yung lasa ng Chicken Joy before.
Yun pa rin.
No. Parang
I've never been a fan of Jollibee.
Ngayon, ang dami ng extender ng Jollibee. Tapos dagdag mo pa yung issue nila na ang liit ng chicken nila. Pero recently daw,
Lumaki raw.
lumabawi naman na sila.
Kasi the thing is, at the end of the day, they're still businesses eh.
Yeah, but Jollibee for me, kung kakain ako sa Jollibee or kung kumakain ako sa Jollibee ngayon, burger steak na maliit na rin. Burger steak, mushroom pepper beef, yung seasonal.
Yeah.
I think they should just put that back.
Oo.
Sarap. Though yung latest time na nilagay nila sa menu yung mushroom pepper beef, maalat siya dun sa branch na nakainan ko.
Saan yun?
Pangasinan, kasi bumiyahe ako nun.
Okay.
Tapos kumain muna ako bago umuwi. Ayun. And then, ano pa ba? Palabok. Masarap yung palabok nila.
I don't know.
And
Sa allergic ako.
marami sila mag-serve ng palabok.
Pati yung sauce nakita ko minsan is drowning.
Masarap yung palabok nila. And ano pa ba? Sundae. Masarap ang sundae nila.
Oo.
Milky kasi. Milky. I like their sundae. Parang kung bibili ako ng sundae in any of these fast food,
Sa Jollibee ka bibili.
Jollibee ako bibili. Yung classic choco sundae nila.
Yeah. To me, I think at the very least, Jollibee should be good. Kasi this is the cornerstone of fast food chains in the Philippines.
Tsaka dagdag mo pa yung tuna pie nila, yung
Bet ko yun.
yung peach mango pie.
Yeah.
Masarap naman. Jollibee is still good, but not as good as before.
Pero for what it is now, I think we can put
still
it.
really good.
Yes. We can put it in
It's
really
still
good.
really good, yeah.
Ito na. McDo. I'm very biased with McDo.
Siya muna.
Nagkilala. Magkakilala na tayo. Friends na tayo. But, I think,
We've always bonded through McDo.
McDo holds so much meaning for us. Diba, parang first dates, first whatever, in McDo.
McDo,
Milestones.
kunin niyo na kami kasi
Milestones always McDo. I'm
First
sad.
date namin, tumatakas pa kami nun
McDo.
from all the people na
And then we're always in McDo.
up until
So,
now, we're always in McDo. Disappointing lang yung ibang branch.
I know.
Conception branch.
So bad.
Fucking hell, bakit ganun?
Pangit din sa ano.
Pero feeling ko kasi, yung mga branch na yun, it's service eh. Yung service nung McDo and those branches, yung pangit.
Not because of the food.
Not
mismo.
because of the food.
So, I think,
Pero ang gusto ko sa McDo ay yung chicken nila.
bet ko sa McDo yung fries. And yung chicken
Yeah,
nuggets.
chicken fries, nuggets, ano pa ba? I don't like their spaghetti.
I like their spaghetti. I like their burgers. Okay. I like their burgers.
Hindi
But
ako
mas bet ko yung crispy chicken sandwich na.
Hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa burgers. So, I mean, kung bibigyan mo ako ng McDo burger, I still eat it. But,
Yeah.
parang, that's one thing na. I never actually ordered a McDo burger for
Always
myself.
chicken. Always chicken.
Always chicken. And, ano pa ba yung order ko sa McDo?
For me, kasi walang tapon McDo eh.
Tsaka yung chicken fillet when I'm on a budget. Or pag nag-crave ako.
Diba, walang tapon McDo for us.
Alaking. Even their, mushroom pepper steak.
Oh, masarap din.
Masarap. Yan, yung mga pinsan ko, pag kami, pag movie akong Pangasinan.
Naalala ko before, nung bata ako. Jollibee's for the masses daw. Pag may pera-pera kayo konti, McDo.
Totoo naman, medyo mas mahal ang McDo.
Ngayon naman, pero ngayon medyo same-same na.
Same sila ngayon. Neck to neck na.
Mm.
And, ano pa ba? About McDo.
It's nostalgic for me.
Happy Meals.
Ay, doon talo Jollibee.
Doon talo ang
Doon
Jollibee,
talo yung
definitely.
Jollibee.
Kasi before, sa province, kapag nagbabakasyon ako before doon. Tapos, syempre, di ba, McDo releases these parang
Mga limited edition
Oo.
toys, collectibles.
collectible siya kasi nag-expire yung parang
Oo.
na-out of date.
Naalala ko yung Crocs.
So, wala, hindi ako nakakuha nun. Anyway, the earliest one ata na natatandaan ko ay Tom and Jerry.
Ako ba?
Tom and Jerry, years before.
Hindi man naalala ko Spider-Man, pero I don't think that was McDo.
Years before pa.
Mm.
Tapos, ginagawa namin kasi marami ko pinsan eh. So, like, binibili namin Happy Meal, isa lang, dalawa
Dalawa
lang.
lang.
Share kami, ganyan. Kasi we won't actually eat the food. Yung food nun, hati kami nung paying adult. Tsaka kami, kasi syempre, kids eh.
Mm.
So, I remember McDo with chicken and their Happy Meals. As in yung toys that
Yeah, yung
come in
toys.
boxes.
Ako,
Until
no.
now, nagko-collect ako. Hindi ko lang nakakompleto kasi, well,
Ano eh, people hoard it. Imagine.
mahirap
How-
kumuha.
How
Ang
des-
hirap kumuha ng stock.
Guys, how desperate are you? Imagine, ang tawag doon, may tawag doon eh. May tawag doon. Scalpers. Imagine, you're scalping collectibles from McDo. How bad can you?
Pinaka-disappointed ako na hindi ko na-collect lahat. Ay,
Yung Adopt Me?
no.
Which one?
The fuck is Squishmallows?
The Squishmallows. But yeah.
Cute. Binalik nila yung Squishmallow selection nila recently, di ba?
Mm.
Parang November last year.
Yeah.
Tapos parang 1 week lang, wala na. Anyway. Ayun.
Ang bilis mo ubos eh.
Ang hirap kumuha ng stock.
Grabe
So,
yung
parang
hype.
kahit ayun. Kaya sobrang, pa rin. Feeling ko that's Happy Meal is one of their best offers.
Oo.
McDo. Kasi, parang people are still hooked kapag may bago sa Happy Meal.
Yeah.
Imagine yung Adopt Me last time.
Ano?
Well, muntik ko na makolek lahat yan. Cute kasi.
So, I think
McDo is great.
McDo is great. It's like, sorry guys, this is our list. Wala kayong magagawa.
McDo is great.
Okay. That
Okay.
settles it. McDo, versus Jollibee, if you guys are interested, it's always McDo for us.
Yes, where's McDo first? Siguro magjo-Jollibee lang kami pag may something kaming kinikrave
Totoo.
sa menu ng Jollibee. Na I know, now we know na sa Jollibee lang siya makukuha.
Yes.
Jolly Palabok, peach mango pie,
Burger steak, tuna pie.
tuna pie.
What?
Majority of
us.
the time, okay na kami sa McDo.
Pero ang hot take for me here is, objectively, Inasal is still better than McDo.
Oo naman. And I think it's healthier than
Yep.
McDo.
Okay.
It's more fresh din.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I think that's it.
List. This is our list.
Okay. Ito na natira sa snacks namin.
Busog na.
Yeah. Hey, tara dito. Please, tara dito. Pakiayos yung portions. Thank you.
May potential yung...
May potential yung ano.
Your food really has potential.
It's masarap. But goddamn, please ayos the value
Yeah.
proposition.
You're gonna lose people if...
Okay.
Well, for anything, for any business, whatever, if you disappoint people.
Dito sila babalik. Take it from me, guys. I am from here.
Yeah.
Yung pwesto ng place nyo, yung katabi niya, ihawan and lutong ulam. Tapos yung katabi pa nun, Angel's Burger. And then yung katabi nyo pang isa, 7-Eleven.
Yeah, and then pag tumawid ka, may Andox, may Baliwag.
Oh! So like, I know yung target market nyo is maybe higher than those people, but you're in that area. At least make it intriguing. Make the food look good.
At saka, from a business standpoint, well, I don't know if I'm a
If you're qualified.
if I'm qualified, but you always aim for people to come back, not just for people to try out
Yes.
what you offer.
So, pero ang issue lang talaga namin ay dapat din naman yung fries.
Actually, yun lang naman yung issue ko doon.
Yeah.
Kasi okay lang naman sa akin na 5 lang yung tenders, kasi masarap naman eh.
Oh, but it's,
But like, I got disappointed sa fries. Kasi,
masarap pa naman yung fries.
masarap yung fries.
Gano'n ba kamahal ang
Parang
fries?
baked.
Goddamn.
No?
What
Baked
a well.
fried,
That's it. Guys, subscribe, please. And leave a comment. Leave a like.
Ang dami na namin nating word count for today.